Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Locksport. Today we are on a nighttime adventure. We're at an old abandoned church in the middle of the night, close to a full moon. Why not? Check out why they're not using this door frame anymore. That's some serious smacking by some beasties. Those mini beasts have totally got hold of that. No door able to stay. So let's check out the locks of the doors. I'm here with Werner's Adventures. Come hither with Heather and Pocketwatch. Doing other kinds of exploration. Whoa. That hasn't been moved in a long time. And I'm not going to move all those chairs against that door to see the lock. So it's pretty disused. It would take too much money to rebuild it from all the weight and damage. All the windows are basically gone. Marks on the walls. It's a through window there. Just having trouble focusing in the dark. Animal sanctuary. Cracked the walls. Ceiling gone. In places. Rolling down in other places. Not sure how much you can see here in the dark in the filming. All these cuts in the floorboards, which usually indicate they tried to deal with the wide end problem, but didn't succeed. That's where the tap was. Yeah, I'm talking to my camera to my Pocket Woman channel. This here is the lock to the side door. It's a good old one, this one. This is lever lock. That part still works. This one is the old 100 night batch. And that's not coming out. It's got no snib on it, so it's not drop snib. And it is a Lockwood standard. That one. There's not much left of the door, so I don't know that the lock's going to do any good. Let's lost the keep off of that. And there's the... Right, let's go into the front room. So this is this room. This is a big hall space, this one. Couldn't look up and down at the same time with my camera and light. Put the light up. Okay, that's better. It's got a dust on because of the animal mark in the dust. Pretty cool walls. Looks like they tried to protect the windows, but didn't work over time. So there's come hither with Heather, say hello with your feet. There's Werner's Adventures, say hello with your feet.
Hey.
So I'll leave a link in the description below to both their channels. Whenever I tag along on one of their little excursions, always leave their links. That's a beautiful archway, we like that. We like it. Right, let's check out the little foyer. Sit here. And the locks are off, the door's completely there. Just had a drum door on it anyway, it wasn't even a proper security door. There's a door down there, no lock on it, hinges are solid as. This is another door, no door, no lock. So let's just go through a little bit of paper around the premises. Just going to put down my equipment bag that I'll use for pocket watch. There you go. To the glory of God, this stone was laid by T.H. Warden, Esquire, April the 12th, 1934. See, there you go. This little town out in the middle of nowhere. Redmond, I think it's called. I'll leave it in the link in the description below. Well, a little bit overgrown. Just here, you walk out the door and, whoa, okay. Bushes claimed it back. So we won't be walking around it. Not in the dark. I like the dual brickwork. The sandstone with red brick. Old little metal fence. There. It's the other side of that door. Yeah, not going to walk around that side either. Alright, well, we're going to have to call this. This is done. Oh, Red Bank. That's the name of the town, I think. Red Bank. This little old Red Bank church. Thanks for watching. Enjoy you hanging out with me on these nighttime adventures. Oh, here's the door. Original solid door. Used to be in place. Look at that. That's a bit squished. Some better days. A little deadbolt with a draw bolt. Like the beasties have got that as well. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate you checking these night adventures out. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.